Postmates gift card, how to use. Now if you have a Postmates gift card and you wish to use that Postmates gift card, all you have to do to use it is to simply launch the Postmates app and make sure that you sign into your respective account. After that, tap on the account icon located at the bottom right corner, and this is the interface that you will see. Now just tap on the wallet option from the very top. Now from there you can see the option called add payment method. Tap on add payment method, and since in this case we are trying to use our gift card, select the option called gift card right here. Herein you must simply enter your gift card or your PIN code. Once you enter the code and make sure that they are correct, tap on the save option from here, and when you tap on the save option, the gift card will be successfully saved, and next time, depending upon the value of your gift card, it will be successfully used for your next Postmates order. This way you will be able to use your Postmates gift card. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in our next video.